Okay, equations are functions that can be written in a form called function notation. So, for example, y equals 2x minus 1 can be written as f of x equals 2x minus 1. It is just another notation, okay? Y equals f of x equals. All right, they mean the same thing. So, we have done something like if y equals 2x minus 1, or we have done, let's say, we have done evaluate 2x minus 1 when x equals 3. All we do is plug in 3. You do 2 times 3 minus 1, so that's 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay? So when we evaluate functions, when we see something like f of x equals 3x minus 4, find f of 3, that just means evaluate 3x minus 4 when x equals 3. Okay, we plug in 3. So we're going to do 3 times 3 minus 4. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 is 5. Okay, the next one, f of negative 2. Evaluate f when x equals negative 2. So that means x equals negative 2. So we have 3 times negative 2 minus 4. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, minus 4 is negative 10. Okay. The next one, example 2. If f of x equals 3x plus 2, part A, find f of negative 2. Okay, so again, this part right here, that goes in for x. Whatever is in that parentheses goes in for x. So you have 3 times negative 2 plus 2, because you got to finish out the rest. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, plus 2 is negative 4. Okay, and now finally, g of x equals x squared minus x. Part B here, we have g of negative 1 plus 4. Well, the plus 4 comes later. We need to do g of negative 1 first. X equals negative 1, so we're going to plug negative 1 in for both x's. Okay, negative 1 squared minus a negative 1. A little tricky. Okay, now negative 1 squared means negative 1 times negative 1, which is 1. Minus a negative, when you have minus a negative like that, okay, that means that we can change that to plus 1. So now we have 1 plus 1, which is 2, and then don't forget this plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, 2 plus 4 is 6. So there are your examples. Now you can stop the video, do the U-tries, and that is the end of topic 7, part 1.